Well, I hope we're recording. I just embarrassed myself at a red light, an uphill red light, by stalling it in front of a whole line full of people, double left turn lane. Hey, I'm manly enough to admit it, right? Oh, darn. That stuff does go on. What can you do? You're supposed to, I know you're supposed to, I think I read and have seen plenty of times that you're supposed to stay in gear with the bike at a stop sign, but I don't typically. I like to relax my clutch hand. Let's see what this person does. They go straight. So, and the light changed. It was one of those that doesn't change in the normal sequence, where you have a change usually before everybody goes straight through. And this one didn't do that in that normal sequence, so it was a bit odd. Caught me by surprise. I went, oop, shoot, conscious of a lot of people behind me, and popped it into gear and let the clutch out too quick and stalled it. Ah, well, you know, nobody's perfect. But it's embarrassing because you got this really cool attitude you're trying to cultivate. So I don't know what's going on here, but I've just stopped and filled the mighty Tony Thunder up, and it shows a full gas tank, although the thing is flashing back and forth. And I'm still got the fuel light coming on, so not too sure what exactly is going on there. But we're heading back after my nostalgic journey, and I'll probably break this up into a couple of different segments. But getting a beautiful November afternoon ride in. And one of the things I wanted to say about riding in my part of San Diego is that, and I like it, is that we have kind of hilly country, and therefore you get those little challenges on a bike where you know, you are stopping uphill or pointed downhill. Let me know which one you least prefer. Which one do you like the least, pointed uphill or downhill? And I think that's good for your riding skills, to get you up to date on your riding skills. That's my particular feeling about it. And those are little challenges that probably keep you that little bit sharper. But look at this road. How beautiful, huh? And it is windy and hilly. And I hope they don't ever change it, although the area is growing. And probably at some stage in the future will be all straight line roads. And like everyone else. Back to the future. Pop her up a gear, make it a little easier. And therefore it's good for practice. So coming back from the hyperbaric oxygenation chamber, and feeling pretty good. I just got a message from Siri. I'm not too sure what that was all about. Maybe she misinterpreted me. Sorry, Siri, if I've upset you. And enjoying this little twisty, curvy road here, back along Rancho Santa Fe. That's Rancho Santa Fe Golf Course there. That's one of our neighboring courses. And nice track. And being here is a nice day, and a nice day to share it with you. So what we've got: a twisty road, an impudent, nervous motorcycle, the means to exercise them both, full tank of gas, even though it says it still has the fuel light thing on. What is going on? Tony, would you please settle down? Tony, settle down. Tell me what's going on, buddy. Okay, we're going to go through the village and then hit the road on the other side, because I think you'll like that. The village is, oh, there it went off. Finally, 3 or 4 miles later. Geez, what do I have to do? But you'll see what I mean. Innumerable stop signs and little hilly sections to navigate up and down, and up and down and through. I'm going to do a little vlog, I think, on setting the suspension on the Aprilias. There's a nice purple-looking SUV, and share it with everybody, because for a couple of reasons. Number one, I'm not good at it, and I need to learn. Oh, there goes my fuel light again. Jeez. Oh well. And now we head out of the village of Rancho Santa Fe. We'll see how all this sound works. If it doesn't work, I'll just show the ride, kill my voice. No, I won't kill it. I'll just dial it back. Now, I'm going to give a shout out to my buddy Ashley Johnson there in the middle of nowhere, UK, because I see those curvy little roads that they ride around the UK, and I get jealous because so many of ours are just set with a chalk line on the ground straight. And it's kind of fun to be able to show him and others of my readers that we do have some curvy, fun back roads here in San Diego that one can enjoy on a motorcycle. A Sencia, the simple one. And maybe that would do it. Well, La Sencia is the simple one girl. I would be La Sencia? I don't know. Tell me, those Spanish-speaking people. Sencia, does that apply boy and girl, or is that just a girl simple one? I don't know. But it's a great day to get out, blow off some cobwebs. I'm getting back into the riding thing. I say that, nothing's happened yet, except for stalling at that traffic sign. I'm getting back into it, I must say. I'm feeling more comfortable on the bike. I do wonder, though, and think about when will my... Come on, don't be shy. It's your turn. And when will my riding days be over? I'm closer to that happening than perhaps many of you watching this channel. And I will have to make that decision, and it won't be just a decision based solely around me, because I'll have to be thinking of the other people that I share the road with. Am I safe enough, competent enough, and in control enough to be riding a 165 horsepower motorcycle with other traffic? And that's something I'll have to come to. Right now I feel like I can. Right now I know I'm more cautious than the average younger rider, that's for sure. I know that, and that comes with age. But I don't feel myself being a danger. I'll put it that way. And I don't know how and when. How do you get that signal? When do you get it, and what does it feel like? Do you get that one like from heaven? The heavens open and a lightning bolt flashes down and says, "Dude, you're done. Get off that bike before you hurt somebody else. Hurt yourself. Go ahead. I don't care." But I don't know. In an overall sense, I don't know how that happens. They just repaved these roads, and they're beautiful right now. Well, let's not get too crazy, get ourselves in trouble with the gendarmerie. Why is my fuel signal still on? I just filled this thing up and I can see the bars. It's flashing back and forth like it doesn't believe it. Come on, man. It took gallons and the price of gasoline. I know nothing like the price of gasoline in the UK, in the middle of the UK, or even if you're not in the middle of the UK, nothing like the price of gasoline there. But still, expensive for us Californians, us old surfer dudes. Expensive enough. I should get some respect. So I don't know what's happening with that. I'll have to let you know in a later vlog. One thing about these quick shifters and blippers, auto blippers, is that the auto blipper does not like to be downshifted on a rising throttle. You really need to be dropping throttle for it to be a smooth transition. It'll do it, but you confuse the machine and the computer and everything. Oh, do you see me? Yeah, you see me. And it can get pretty abrupt and kind of funny feeling when you try to do that. And it ain't the right way to do it anyway, so. Like right there, I was kind of on a semi-steady throttle when I drop that one. So let's get out of people's way. Now, it used to be we were strictly told to stay out of the middle of streets. That's still probably generally good advice, but it is not as dire as it used to be. Cars are built much more oil and tight and things like that. And so you don't have quite the level of oil that you did have laying around. And I think that holds particularly true after a rain when it starts floating, especially the first rain after you haven't had rain for a while. And stuff starts floating up out of the asphalt. But we haven't had rain here in quite a while, aren't likely to have some for a bit. We had a very wet year last year, but aren't likely to have some for a bit. And yours truly doesn't ride in the rain. I don't have to. I'm doing this for fun. But it is a glorious day. It is a glorious thing. And a little nostalgic trip. You'll have to see the other vlog about what I mean when I say nostalgic trip. Somewhere up here there's got to watch out for it. There's a big bump and you can't see it because it's hidden in the asphalt, the black asphalt, so it doesn't show up that well. But if you hit it just right and you're unawares, it'll almost pop you back up out of the seat. Nobody behind me there. So you just have to be aware that it's there. It's been a couple, 3 days since I've been up this road. I don't know where it is. I think it's coming up here. I'll see if I can't point it out. Oop, that ain't it, but it's close. I think it is right. Nope, right. Yeah, there. Could you see that? I don't know if you could. Oh, what a day, late September. Okay, here we are coming back over the top of the hill. There's Black Mountain up ahead. And heading back towards Wistful Vista, having accomplished my mission. Feel pretty good about it. Feel a little more steady on the machine. And get back into things slowly but surely, ladies and gentlemen. And hope you enjoy the sunshine of a November California day, Southern California day. Thank you, San Diego. Thank you, Southern California. and a little ride along with yours truly. And of course, let's not forget Tony Thunder. Let's give Tony Thunder some shout out here.